Hello everyone, welcome back again to AutoCAD channel with AutoCAD 2D modeling basic tutorial how to create a simple apartment floor plan. Okay, first I will use AutoCAD ISO template. You can click this option. Okay, we can create a line in here. You can tap L, enter. We start from this point to the top here 3300. Okay, move to the left here 1500, move to the top 3200. Okay, you can move to the left here 6500. Okay, move to the bottom here 5200, move to the left move to the right 2100, and you can click at this point, connect to this point. Okay, next I will use a join command to join this all objects and enter. You can create a line again. You can sort at this point, move to the right here with distance 2800. Okay, move to the bottom here 2200 and click at this point. Okay, I will use a join command to combine these two line object. We can create a plane object. Okay, start from this point. Okay, you can click at this point and connect to here. Okay, next I will use offset command. Okay, with offset distance 150. Click this object and click inside. Okay, we offset again with offset distance 100. Click this object, click inside. Use offset command again with offset distance 50. Okay, I will click this object, click in here and click this object, click in below here. Okay, you can delete this line object and use trim command to cut this line object, and we cut again in here. Okay, next I will create a line object. Start from this point to the left here 800, and then with distance for this line 1900. Okay, you can create line object. Okay, start from this point to the top 100, click at this point and click in here. Okay, use heads command. Okay, we will apply heads object. Okay, you can pick heads, use this heads NC31, and you can select at this region. Okay, we select again in here. Next you can change scale in here into 15, and you can close heads creation. Okay, so we heads again. Okay, I will hatch this region, and you can close hatch creation. Next I will insert block into this 2D floor plan. You can get this block object from download link in description below this video. Okay, first I will use insert a command, enter, and you can browse for a block file. Okay, first I will use door in here and use this option, single door, open. Okay, and I will put in here. Next I will use whip out frame into 0. You can click here, whip out frame, and set into 0. Okay, next I will move this block object with M2P option. Okay, you can click at this point, into this point. Next, move into middle point in here. Okay, we insert again. Okay, another door block. We'll use this block and open. Okay, click at this point and you can rotate this object. Use move command again with M2P option. Okay, you can click from this point into this point and then move into middle point in here. Okay, I will insert again windows. Okay, you can tap insert and then browse. I will insert windows in here with this dimension. Open. Okay, and I will click in here. You can use rotate command to rotate this black object, and I will copy. Okay, start from middle point in here into middle point in here. Okay, we copy again from this point into here. Okay, and then you can use a move command to move this object start from this point into this point. Okay, use insert command again. Okay, I will insert a sliding door. Okay, you can click this black sliding door, open. Okay, and click at this point. Next, you can move this object from this point into middle point in here. Okay, we can attach a bed and another furniture for this to this cat. Okay, you can tap insert. I will insert bed black. You can click here and use this option. Okay, I will put in here. We insert again for sofa. Okay, I will use this black. Okay, and we insert in here. Okay, you can move to the bottom here and move to the right here. Okay, we insert table. Okay, I will insert browse and use this TV table, open. Okay, and I will click in here. Next, you can double click at this block, click OK, and then I will delete this object. Okay, you can close the block editor and use a save change. Next, you can rotate these objects. Okay, and then you can move to here. Okay, we insert again. Okay, I will insert for table O. Okay, open. Okay, and you can put in here. We insert again, browse and change width table. Okay, I will insert this block dining table. You can attach at this point. Now for kitchen, we insert stuff. Okay, stuffle. You can click here, kitchen stuff. You can select this block, and you can put in here. We insert again for waste, open. Okay, and put in here. Use a move command to move this block to this point, and move again this block to here. Okay. Next, for a bedroom, you can insert again for a bathtub. Okay, I will insert a bathtub to this point, and you can move move these objects from here into here. Okay, we can create a line in here and start from this point to here. Okay, we insert again with staffle. Okay, block with staffle, and I will move from this point into here. And the last block, you can tap insert. We use a toilet seat, open. Okay, and you can put in here. Okay, we already insert the block into this floor plan. And next, I will give a dimension for this objects. You can tap D to open Dimensions Style Manager. Click Modify. And next I will use change primary units for precision into 0, and for text I will change in here into 150, for black color, text color into red. Okay, in here into 100, use ISO standard. For symbol and arrows I will change in here into architectural thick, and arrow size into 150, in here 100. Okay, for break size 100. Next for lines I will change in here into 150, in here into 100. Okay, for color dimension into red, and then this extension lens into red. Click OK, close, and then you can use dim linear to create a dimension linear. Okay, start from this point into here. Okay, we can create this object with rectangle in here. You can tap a rectangle. Okay, I will create object in here and create a line from this point into here. Okay, now we create a dimension linear again. Start from this point into here, and then click in here. Okay, next create a dimension linear in the rack here, from this point into here. Okay, we create from here into this point 1500. Create again in here. Now I will use M2P option. Click at this point to here and click in here. Okay, use dim linear again. Click at this point into here and in here. Okay, next in the left here you can tap dimension linear. Start from this point with M2P option. Okay, I will click in here and click in here. Move to this point. Okay, the last we create from this point into this point. You can select this dimension object. Click at this point, move into here, and then select again this dimension. Click at this point, move to here. Okay. Now we already create this simple apartment floor plan. If you want to print out these models, okay, I will print out in A4 for example. I will create layout in here. Okay, for width 2097, and for length 2010. Okay, you can click at this point and move here. Next I will scale. Okay, you can scale this object. Okay, start from this point with scale 50 and enter. You can move this plot into here. Okay, you can tap plot to print out this object. Okay, for setting I will change in here plotter from DWG to PDF, and then I will click in here for display plot into window. You can click at this point into here. Okay, next you can use center the plot, and then uncheck fit to paper and change unit in here into 50, because we scale plot into 50. Okay, and you can use in here like grayscale. Okay, and then you can click preview for this printing option. Okay, this is the result, and you can start printing these objects in here. Okay, enough today for AutoCAD 2D modeling basic tutorial how to create apartment floor plan. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another AutoCAD 2D modeling basic tutorial.